This hose nozzle has a really unique design and I wanted to demonstrate it for you today. You can see it's got 8 different patterns you can choose from. Now, before I take it outside and demonstrate them to you, I wanted to just let you know that the brand did send me a free one so I can check it out. And I wanted to run through some of the features. Now, the best thing about this is high quality. It's got this nice little grip here, very ergonomic, good feel to it. It's got this leak-proof design in here where you're gonna fit your hose. So let's take it outside now and demonstrate the patterns. Now this one is the cone pattern, then the soaker, flat, rinse, shower, mist, center, and jet. It's easy to use and it's very well constructed and a great design, and I would highly recommend this for anyone who needs a garden hose to water their plants.